everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carrie and this channel is all about Hawaii food and family. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season with your family and friends, and although the holidays have passed, I documented 5 days before Christmas here and I wanted to share that with you. So I hope you enjoy this video, and as always, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Every day I like to start my day with my morning coffee, and today I'm making a smoothie for myself, and this is a pretty simple recipe that I do quite often, and it has Greek yogurt, almond milk, spinach, bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. It's such a delicious combination together, and I love making it in my Vitamix, which I've been using for about 5 years now. It's such a great way to make a smoothie in the morning. Now that I'm a mom, I feel like I just have less time in general. So when my baby is sleeping, I try to do as many household chores as possible, like taking the dishes out of the dishwasher. So for lunch today, I am having some sushi that I bought from Foodland just a little while ago. Salmon sushi and some maki sushi. And last night or yesterday, Reed made some seaweed soup, but this version, because we didn't have that many groceries, we had some imitation crab in the fridge, so he put imitation crab in seaweed soup. So yeah, it's very, very delicious. I'm gonna warm this up and I'm gonna enjoy my sushi. Recently, I got sick, and so I wasn't able to do anything to prepare, so the next 5 days are gonna be super packed with a lot of holiday festivities that my family likes to do together, and just honestly getting ready for Christmas, wrapping presents and all of that fun stuff that all of us do right before we see our family. Right now anyway, I'm just eating lunch, and as I said earlier, I got some sushi, and I never really bought sushi like this from Foodland before, but I got some salmon sushi, and very good. Let me know what it's like for you going into Christmas, or I know you'll see this video after Christmas, but what it's like, if it's stressful for you or if it's not, I don't know. But it's laundry time, and we just swapped out Ellie's 3-month clothes. We put all of her three month clothes away, and I took out her 6-month clothes. I can't believe she's gonna be 6 months. I remember seeing this, I guess, 6 months ago, and thinking, wow, we're not gonna need these clothes for a while, and here it is. So yep, just very grateful for all of our family and friends who gave us clothes, because we really didn't have to buy any of it. And we just got a lot of really cute hand-me-downs. We swap out her clothes every couple months, so the next time probably will be when she's like in the 9-month stage. I can't believe how fast she's just growing. It's pretty amazing to see. But it's been a while since I did a little bit of a catch-up, so overall motherhood has been going great. I'm enjoying it. I was sick recently, so it's been pretty chaotic here, but thankfully, Ellie hasn't gotten sick, even though I was like fever, and I didn't have COVID. Like, I tested for COVID, but I didn't have COVID. But I feel like I had the flu, if anything. So yeah, it's been a rough past couple days. But I'm very excited that it is almost Christmas and 5 days away till Christmas, and there's just so much to be done. I think we have most of our presents for like our nieces and our nephews and everything, but I have to go back and check. It's been a while since I bought their presents, so I don't remember if I finished shopping for them, and I don't know, things get chaotic when you have a child. It changes things for sure. But yeah, this week is gonna be lots of fun. We're planning on doing gingerbread making with our family, which we do every year. We're gonna do mandu making, because that is something that Reed and I started to do probably since like 2016, 2017. We want to go look at the Christmas lights together as a family and really just spend a lot of family time and do all like the traditional stuff that we do around this time. So it's gonna be a fun week for sure, and I'm just looking forward to it. Later that day, my husband Reed and I went to Ala Moana for some last-minute Christmas shopping, and it was really nice being there during the holiday season. There was music playing and just so many Christmas decorations around, and it just made me feel like the spirit of Christmas was among us. Good morning, everyone. It is December 21st now, 4 days till Christmas. So last night, I didn't vlog that much when we went to Ala Moana, just because it's so crazy during the holidays and just trying to finish our Christmas shopping basically. I got a little surprise for my breakfast this morning, which I wanted to share with you. So last night we ate at Liliha Bakery, and after the meal I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to film any of it because Ellie was with us and she was just on my lap the whole time. But on the way out, I got one of my favorites, which is an eclair. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing now. This is like really huge, but I'm probably gonna cut it in half. And I also got, just for fun, I got 2 other chocolate cream puffs that I guess I'll eat later. I don't know. This is a lot of sweets for me. But at Liliha Bakery, we gotta get a couple pastries. And I have some leftover yogurt from yesterday's smoothie, so I'm gonna finish that with some berries. But this is gonna be my breakfast today. It's 4 days till Christmas. Excited. Ellie right now is taking a nap, and just gonna hopefully enjoy my breakfast before she wakes up. I have Reed's gift here. I'm excited to share it with all of you. This is part of his present. So I thought, because this is he's a first-time dad, I wanted to make everything very focused on that this Christmas. So I got him this is like a tumbler glass for his whiskey. He likes whiskey. And it says Dad, and it has Ellie's birthday on it. Yeah, for Daddy. Yeah, he smiled. So my friend sent me this link to like personalize like a book for you can personalize books and stuff for people. And so I thought this was really, really cute. And I wanted to look at it before I give it to him. But the book is called Ellie, You'll Always Be My Little Girl. And it's supposed to have like both of their names in the book, and you could choose what kind of pages you wanted in it. It's cool because it has her name in it, and it has his name in it. But I hope he likes this. I hope this is something that they can read together. And there's so many different books. So the company that does this is called Hooray Heroes. Hooray Heroes. But my friend sent me a link, so I'll leave the link for this kind of book down below. This isn't sponsored or anything, but just thought this was a really cute gift for a loved one, and they have different kind of books and stuff. So yeah, this is really cute. I got him this dad hat. You like this hat, Ellie? And it just has a year that he became a dad. So I hope he likes the dad gifts so far. I definitely think this year has been filled with so much joy for both Reed and I just want to remember this as we move forward in our life. You know that 2022 was a very special year, especially since we became parents, and something that I will never forget. We're ready to bake cookies. We have gingerbread cookie making today. What are we putting on top of the cookies?
We're putting M&Ms, chocolate chips, and icing, of course. And
sprinkles. You can't forget sprinkles. Every year, gingerbread making is a tradition that we do in our family, and I'll leave a link to the recipe that we use in the description box below and the cards above. if you're interested in making this recipe with your family. So the Nakamotos made the dough yesterday, and Kathy brought them all like this already. They're hard because they have to sit in the fridge for about an hour, I think. Yeah. So sometimes it's easier if this is like a 2 or 3 day process. And so today is cutting and decorating day. 12 minutes. All right, first batch going in. Looks good. Hi. Hey Maya, what you doing, Maya?
I'm making the icing for the first time by myself.
Oh.
I'm following your old recipe.
Oh, very good. What's key too is that these have been left out, so it's not.
Also, be like soft.
Yeah, so it's soft. How did the cookies turn out?
It turned out good. We tasted some. I think it tastes pretty good, so that's the main thing.
Let's see what they look like. Wow, all different shapes.
Thicknesses.
Mickey Mouse. What is this one? This one's interesting.
Oh, no, thank you.
Lunch is Little Caesar's Pizza. Oh.
Next to Shige's.
Oh, next to Oh.
Actually, it's good. The deep dish is super.
Ooh, and what is this one?
Deep dish.
Oh, deep dish. Wow. This is something we don't see every day. Little Caesar's Pizza. How is it? Good, Tan?
Well, your boys are starving.
The best part of making gingerbread is putting the chocolates, because gingerbread in itself is not the sweetest cookie. When you add the chocolate, it just goes, it's like a symbiotic relationship. It goes very well.
Sometimes people are so used to going like.
Good morning, it is December 23rd and just getting ready. We have a couple more presents we need to still buy, but this morning I was super productive. Reed and I both wrapped 90% of our gifts that we have ready. So that was really, really good. Today we are gonna go shopping. I'm going to run a couple more errands. All right, I'm ready to go. What are you making?
I'm gonna make a gift basket for my grandfather.
What are you getting? Cranberries and strawberries. So we just finished at Baldwin's snack shop, and they're located in Aiea. And Ellie's just having her milk now, but while we're waiting, Reed's gonna share one of the snacks that we got. So what do you like from there?
Well, Baldwin's is actually a family-owned business. So my mom's side of the family, we're related to them. And so we come here a lot. They have really good snacks as well as shaved ice. So if you're in the Aiea area, go and visit Baldwin's. Go see Fran or Sadie and tell them we sent you, because they're amazing. But the last time I was with Fran, which was a long time ago, he had slipped me this concoction of his, and it's lihing lemon peel, and it's like encapsulated by nerds. and I was telling him these are like two of my favorite things, and you put it together.
What are your two?
The nerds and the lihing, and so you put it together into one snack, and it's awesome. So I am excited to have this again because I literally rationed the little bit that he gave me the last time. So it's good.
And I love lihing too. My favorite.
Yeah.
I don't eat it often because it's not that good for you, but it is delicious.
Yeah, it was great.
And we also got some party mix that we're going to snack on as well. And then we also got some presents for people. But it's a great place to go for snacks, gummy snacks, lihing snacks, local snacks, and yeah, and shave ice. They have very good shave ice there too.
We ended the day spending time with Reed's grandpa and giving him his present from Baldwin's, but this was also very special because this was his first time meeting his great-granddaughter Ellie, and she just loved spending time with him and seeing him for the first time, so it was a very special day. I'm going to end this video here, but I have a little bit more of the holiday season that I wanted to share with you, so look forward to my next video where I share a little bit of our Christmas Eve night as well, which was a lot of fun. But until then, I hope you guys are enjoying the beginning of 2023. It's going to be a great year, and I'll see you all very soon.